So now let's just talk about the naming of ketone. So ketone is what? R C double bond O R dash. It is different from aldehyde because aldehyde is a terminal function group. Here the one position should be H. Now in that case the suffix, the secondary suffix we used is ONE, and the prefix is used as oxo and ONE. So now let's talk about the very basic ketone, that is CH3 C double bond O CH3, that is propane 2 on, or we can count as propane 2 on or propanone. Now we can use CH3 CH2 C double bond O CH3. Now it is called 2 butane 2 on. Butane 2 on. Our normal we call it as a butanone because there is only one possibility. If we use ketone, then the double bond O has only one possibility. Now, if we talk about CH3, CH2, C double bond O, CH2, CH3. Pentane 2 on. Or it is pentane 3 on actually. 1, 2, 3. Pentane 3 on. This is primary suffix, and this is secondary suffix we use is and the principal function group. Now if we go to like this type of compound in the cyclohexane alkane is present, then it is cyclohexanone. Now if we talk about this compound, cyclopent 1,3 dione. Now we go further. In that particular group, this we have to consider the cyclic chain as the main function group. Then 1, 2, 3. 2 ethynyl cyclopropane 1 on, and this ethene, then ethynyl and is a substituent, then it is ethynyl group, right? Now we talk about how do we name the common name of ketone, like it is CH3 C double bond O CH3. It is methyl ketone, or we call it as a dimethyl ketone. Then it is CH3 C double bond O CH2 CH3. Then it is ethyl. E comes first, that's why we are using ethyl. Then methyl ketone. Both the alkyl group we have to consider, right? Here it is C double bond no C. Ethyl isopropyl ketone. Ethyl isopropyl ketone, right? Now, if we have 1, 2, 3, 4 C double bond O 1, 2, then ethyl butyl ketone. Ethyl butyl ketone C. Now what will you name? That is we call it as a iso group. Iso, then the terminal, the function group acts like this, it is called iso. So it is isobutyl, secondary butyl ketone. Now, if we use the cyclic group, then how do we name? If we use the cyclic group, then how do we name? C double bond O, C, then C. Then it is ethyl cyclopentyl ketone. Now, in that particular case, C double bond O, C, then it is cyclopropyl methyl ketone, because when we have R, C double bond O, R dash, alkyl ketone, and we have to arrange in the increasing the alphabetical order. That's how we do name of ketone.